Hello, my name is Michael Frazier, aka Welded. I'm the lead instructor here at Elite Pipe Welding Academy here in Houston. Alright, about to do a demonstration on a piece of 6-inch Schedule 40 pipe. I'm going to do a back feed demo with a 3/16 gap. Here we teach our students lay wire, back feed, and keyhole. I'm about to put my first fill on here. I ran my hot pass with 332 wire, about 115, 120 amps roughly. I'm gonna do a first fill with 1/8 wire. I've also switched to a number 10 cup. I'm OCD like that. I'm always, I got a way for doing everything. I like a number 8 cup for the root and hot because I can just kind of slide it in there. Once I start with my fill, I switch to a number 10 or bigger depending on the size of the pipe. And start adding a lot of metal in there. I'm at 150 amps right now too.